The Roxicosly Emergency Weather Radio stands out with an oversized high-efficiency solar panel that meaningfully extends runtime during long outages or remote trips. Its upgraded hand crank feels sturdy in the hand and produces usable power with relatively little effort, which is crucial when you are already stressed in an emergency. A genuine high-capacity battery inside this unit can top up a smartphone and run the radio and lights for many hours, making it a dependable backup power hub when the grid goes down. The combination of a strong focused flashlight and a gentler multi-level reading lamp covers both navigation and area lighting without wasting energy. Automatic weather band scanning with alert tones keeps you informed of incoming storms or hurricanes, even when you are not actively listening, which adds real peace of mind. Rugged, water-resistant construction, multiple charging options, and a loud emergency alarm make this radio a practical choice for home preparedness kits, as well as camping and travel bags.